Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is brown rice, and we'll be making blueberry brown rice cereal and creamy brown rice cereal with roasted mushrooms and crispy shrimp. Joining me in our Morris Black Kitchen is Dr. Jennifer Janco from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Patrick Feury. These recipes sound great. Where should we start?
Next.
So you're adding your milk to the pot.
Yeah.
Okay. And cook up the blueberries in the milk.
With the blueberries themselves, I'm not going to add any extra sugar. I'm just going to take the sugar out of the blueberries. So what we want to do is want to get this up and going.
Okay.
Boiling before we start to cook this out.
How long does it take to cook the rice cereal?
The cereal, it's almost instant.
But I think
That
the
cooks really quickly.
brown rice is really nice because you are getting all that fiber from that.
Fiber,
And I
yes.
think that's such an important part of our diets for children and for adults. And we're always looking for ways that we can have more fiber in our diets, and how can you do that in a way that doesn't taste like you're eating a piece of cardboard.
Yeah.
Exactly. Well, these sweet blueberries, I think are going to do it
Yeah.
for sure. So what are we doing right now?
Right, I'm just preparing the mushrooms up.
We got a little boil going on here.
Perfect, yeah. Yeah, it doesn't take much. And then we're going to blend this out.
Do you need it to cool before you?
Nope, he's putting it right in.
No, because we're going to take advantage of the heat because we're
Okay.
going to cook the cereal immediately.
Okay.
And now we have blueberry milk.
Yep, exactly.
So this is such a nice texture because infants at 6-month-old really need something super pureed and smooth, and it looks like that's going to be a great texture.
Yeah, and really, you know, when you're having when you're working with a cereal or any kind of grains like that, so what you want to do is add a little by little and get to that
Okay.
consistency, but it really hydrates really quickly.
Okay,
So,
so little at a time. You can
Yeah.
always add more, but you can't add less.
Yeah. And here we go.
5 minutes.
Okay. You know, a lot of kids suffer with some constipation. As they eat new foods, they don't always digest them well. They can get a little bit backed up. They can get some tummy aches with that.
Right.
Fiber and fruit are great ways to move that forward.
And we're going to let this actually cook down, and so it's going to really take on that blueberry flavor to that. So we'll let that cook a little more. So we're going to hit the mushrooms in one pan.
Okay. And there's also zinc in brown rice. And what does that do?
You know, you're going to get zinc. You're actually going to get a lot of different vitamins in there. So this is another one. Rather than just using plain white rice that doesn't have a lot of nutrients in it, you're going to get some vitamin A. You're going to get some of your B vitamins through all of that. And those are the kinds of foods you want to serve your child. Because parents ask me all the time, should I be giving my child a vitamin supplement? And honestly, if you're eating like this, you don't need to.
So this is, we want super hot pan, super hot oil. You want to get that, and noises are very important.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
We like snap, crackle, pop,
yes,
sizzle.
So I got these shrimp for the adults.
They look
and-
beautiful,
and
by
what's
the
that?
way.
And this is a tempura batter, but actually what I use is rice flour in this. So the milk's coming up.
It is.
Oh, yeah.
See? So we're going to just put some cereal in here. It's really up to you on how consistent you want it, how smooth you
So
want
you
it,
just
how
keep
thick
an
you want
eye
it.
on it and see what consistency looks good to you.
Yeah, here we go. So we're going to take
right.
our mushrooms off.
Nice little brown, nice little sizzle.
Exactly. Cook out some blueberries.
So a little bit more of that same
Yeah.
tempura.
So here we're going to plate now.
Okay.
All right, so you're just putting your cereal on the plate.
This
I
is for
always
the
love
adult.
to see how they plate.
It always looks so much nicer than anything I come up with.
You just add your mushrooms on top. Beyond delicious.
And beautiful. Voila.
Stunning. That's
Kind of a
beautiful.
little bit like porridge.
I can't wait to try
The
that.
tempura blueberries almost remind me of like a blueberry pancake.
Some puff rice on
Oh.
top.
Puff rice, yeah.
Fantastic.
These look so good and they smell delicious,
They sure
don't
do.
they?
Thank
We're going to try the blueberry brown rice cereal first.
Really, really good.
It's like so creamy. Amazing.
Yep.
All right, let's try
And
the
very
shrimp.
healthy.
Mm,
Really
that's
good
incredible.
job. Chef Feury did well.
Flavorful, again, creamy.